Here are 50 benefits of apple. 1. Apples are packed with nutrients like fiber, vitamin C, and potassium. 2. Eating apples can help lower the risk of heart disease. 3. Apples can help regulate blood sugar levels. 4. The high fiber content in apples can aid in digestion. 5. Apples are low in calories, making them a great snack for weight management. 6. Apples contain antioxidants that can help protect against cancer. 7. Apples can improve brain function and memory. 8. Apples can help reduce inflammation in the body. 9. The fiber in apples can help lower cholesterol levels. 10. Apples can improve lung function and reduce the risk of asthma. 11. Apples can improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. 12. Apples are a good source of hydration, as they are made up mostly of water. 13. The antioxidants in apples can help protect against age-related macular degeneration. 14. Apples can help prevent constipation. 15. Apples can improve dental health by reducing the amount of bacteria in the mouth. 16. Apples can help boost the immune system. 17. Apples can help reduce the risk of stroke. 18. The flavonoids in apples can help improve insulin sensitivity. 19. Apples can improve skin health and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. 20. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. 21. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing gallstones. 22. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing liver disease. 23. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing kidney stones. 24. Apples can improve overall gut health. 25. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing Parkinson's disease. 26. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. 27. Apples can help improve sleep quality. 28. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing cataracts. 29. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing gout. 30. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing rheumatoid arthritis. 31. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing hypertension. 32. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing kidney cancer. 33. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing breast cancer. 34. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing colon cancer. 35. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing prostate cancer. 36. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing ovarian cancer. 37. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing pancreatic cancer. 38. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing liver cancer. 39. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing lung cancer. 40. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing stomach cancer. 41. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing bladder cancer. 42. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing skin cancer. 43. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing leukemia. 44. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing lymphoma. 45. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing multiple myeloma. 46. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing non-Hodgkin lymphoma. 47. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing melanoma. 48. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing thyroid cancer. 49. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing esophageal cancer. 50. Apples can help reduce the risk of developing oral cancer. I hope these benefits of apples are helpful for you.